How to fix Snapchat glitch. In order to fix this issue, the very first thing you want to do is to move into your application Snapchat. Once you're in here, try refreshing the page. Close the app and then open it again. Once done, now head over to App Store. Once you're in the App Store, in the search bar, search for Snapchat. Move into this app. Right here, if you see the option of update, then click on update and update your app to the latest version. Most of the time, updating the app has also fixed the issue. Once done, the next thing you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Move into General and then head over to iPhone Storage. Move into the application Snapchat. Click on Offload App. Once again, click on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. Not only this, it might also fix the glitches that you have been facing on Snapchat. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.